Hi, I'm Sam Stern. I'm a chef and an author, and over the past couple of weeks I've had the pleasure of using this Ninja air fryer from Euronics. Now, I don't know about you, but I like making Christmas dinner as easy as possible, and with these two 5.2 litre drawers that convert into a mega drawer, it makes feeding a family of up to 8 as easy as can be.
Merry Christmas!
Right, let's crack on with brining this turkey. So I'm doing a dry brine here, where you just want to put your sea salt over the top, and when you combine that with the air fryer on the roast function, you get a really delicious crispy skin. So I'm just going to make a compound butter, just some softened salted butter, some thyme, which you just strip off here, and then we've got some rosemary here. Nice, lovely amount of herb, because all of this butter is going to go underneath the turkey skin. And then finally, just a bit of pepper and just a small amount of salt, because remember, we've dry brined the turkey already. And there we have our compound butter. Now what you can do is you can wrap it up in cling film and then put it in the fridge, so it saves you more time. Right, we're going to loosen the skin on this turkey. Now we get our butter, and then you can spread it out from the top as well. Time to peel some potatoes. I love peeling spuds because it's so boring. It allows you to access a different part of your mind. It means that you can really think about stuff. In half, and then into quarters. Any smaller, and they may burn in the air fryer. Now this is the perfect size spud. Right, so these potatoes into cold water, a little bit of bicarbonate of soda. So this gives the potatoes nice rough edges, which means they get extra crispy. And then of course, salt. And then onto the hob, get them parboiling, make sure they're really quite nice and soft, but almost at mashed potato texture. Let's get them drained. Right, now it's time to prep your veg. Now you don't even have to bother peeling these if you don't want, but you get a beautiful orange colour coming through. And we're just going to take the top off, slice right down the middle, slice down the middle again. And we've got our little batons. Then onto the parsnips. Now we're going to chop these a little bit smaller than the carrots, because they're a bit tougher, so they're going to take longer to cook if they're the same size. Now onto the sprouts. It isn't Christmas without these. So all you do is simply take off the end and then peel off these little outer leaves. The beauty about this recipe is the carrots, the parsnips and the sprouts all cook at the same time in the air fryer in about 15 minutes. It is so easy. Drizzle with olive oil, or you can use clarified butter. We've got our herbs here, some thyme, some rosemary, some sage, whatever you want really. Mix it up with some sea salt and finally some black pepper. Give it a careful toss over, make sure they're all coated, and then your potatoes are ready to go. It's time for the turkey. So what we need to do is get our MegaZone going. So we're going to take out this little bit. So we've got one big drawer. Switch it down to roast, put it on for 180 for about 25 minutes. Our turkey goes in, skin side down. And then what that's going to do is it's going to really crisp up the top layer, but also protect the breast for the length of cooking. So in we go. Right, so it's been 10 minutes. We can have a look at the turkey. In with the potatoes. So very carefully, try not to burn yourself. In they go. Now these have been coated in the olive oil, the herbs, the salt, and they're going to crisp up really nicely. Just surround the turkey with them. To make the speediest stuffing balls in the Ninja air fryer, all you do is take this packet mix, I chose sage and onion, put some hot water with it and a knob of butter, mix it up, let it rest, and then form into balls. Pop them in the air fryer at 180 for 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown. Right, so the turkey's done, the potatoes are golden, it's time to let that rest and we go onto the veg. Now sides are my favourite part of a Christmas dinner. Even better, they're going to be ready in 15 minutes in the air fryer. And quite simply, take our veg, pop them all in. We've got some beautiful cauliflower cheese here, covered with a bit of extra cheese, of course, on top, and some breadcrumbs if you want some extra crunch, and then some pigs in blankets right at the back. So all of these sides, just in 15 minutes. It's insane. Press zone 1, put it to air fry, 180 for 15 minutes, and then zone 2, again to air fry, 170, 15 minutes. Press start, and there we go. With 5 minutes to go, we're just going to drizzle with some honey. Right, that's the sides done. Oh, that cauliflower cheese looks so good. It's time to carve the turkey. Now, how easy is that? A full Christmas dinner, ready in no time. And even better, hardly any washing up. Head over to Euronics today to pick up your Ninja air fryer.